guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair, and before I disclose today's recipe, I want you to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. So today we are doing a keto cabbage, a super easy recipe, cooks less than 10 minutes. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, 150 grams cabbage, methi seeds, 1 tablespoon kalonji, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. First, 1 tablespoon amul ghee. Next, 1 teaspoon methi seeds. We're going to wait until it turns slightly golden, otherwise they'll taste bitter. Next, mustard seeds. And last, kalonji. And now we would add our cabbage. Once it's slightly well done, we're going to add some chaat masala to the same. And our keto cabbage is ready. Our keto cabbage is ready. The benefits are the same. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K. It helps to lower your cholesterol level. It is extremely good for digestion. So here we go, less than 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time.